I gotta pick up my tilapia. The tilapia that doesn't care to be held. Look at that belly rub! There's no promises this fish survives. This no-eyed fish literally has no eyes. Andy, he hasn't been eating?
He was a little bit, not lately.
Look at him. Let's get one look at him, and we're gonna put him in. Hey everyone, what's going on? It is sunny today. Goodness. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. This is the best thing we've ever done, David.
Oh yeah.
It is the best thing we've ever done, is putting these water things right next to each and every enclosure. What up, chickens? Hey, all 5 chickens just roam around the farm. Mango, what's up, buddy? Before we hop further into the video, I want to let you guys know that we now have membership only videos.
All right, here we go.
I can smell
Cheers,
it.
mate.
Ready?
Cheers.
Let's go. Here we go, baby.
Oh, that's so funny. Oh my gosh.
The link is right down below. All exclusive content, merch discounts, and live streams. It's a really cool thing that YouTube allows creators to do with their audience. The main channel does not change whatsoever, but they do give us the options to make these members only videos, and it's like exclusive behind the scenes content, and I decided I wanted to do it. So we do have membership only videos now, so go to the link in the description. Join if you have not yet already. Advanced members will get to see all those videos and so much more crazy stuff. Otherwise, these videos, they're not gonna change. They're still being posted every other, well, as much as I possibly can. Goats, it's finally dry enough for all you to come back into your house. Every single one of you. Madre's on gate duty. Did I ever try to escape when I was young? Did I ever run away?
No.
No? I was a good kid?
Yeah, you're a good kid.
Did I cry a lot? Did I?
I never see anybody cry so much.
Oh my gosh. That's probably why I never cry now.
I swear to you, from the age you were so good when you were born, but once you turn around 3, I think you cried for 2 years straight.
I got no crying left. I haven't cried in like 3.
I wasn't allowed to leave the room.
Come on, Boots.
Out of his sight. If I went somewhere,
Close, Mom, close.
He would scream.
Look at that belly rub. You want a belly rub, Boots? Ah! Ah!
Look out, little baby.
Oh.
No. Okay, go.
They're probably like, "Whoo, I can move my muscles." No.
Look out.
He could just go, and it would go right in my freaking eyeball.
Little baby, hi, buddy.
Give me your horns. He's not as dangerous. He'll just hang out. Oh, maybe. Maybe he's getting a little frustrated. I love it.
They just land perfect.
They land perfect. They're like cats. Oh, Mama's big too. Mama's a heavy one. That's how she sounds. It's like deep. She's getting more brown spots. That is one pretty goat. Imagine breeding her. Look at the little brown spots coming in, Dave. See the little brown ones?
Yeah. Wow.
They're so pretty, Emmy. Ugh. That's all 6 goats. Now that all 6 goats are back into their enclosure, the farm is happy, everyone's eaten. I think it's time we get to what today's video's title and thumbnail is. I found a fish at the aquarium. You know what? I'll just explain it when we get there. Let's go. All right, we're here, Aquarium Shop, my favorite store for saltwater species. I love this store in general, what am I saying? We are coming back because the other day I was just here and I saw this fish and it had no eyeballs. And I was like, that is the coolest thing ever if it will stay alive. So I told Andy, I said, I'm gonna call you in about 2 days, and if this fish is still alive, I'm gonna come buy it. Whether it lives at my house or it ends up dying, it's still a very, very cool fish, and if it continues to eat, it will live. So we're gonna give it a shot. There's no promises this fish survives, that's a fact, because it literally has no eyes and it sits and swims in circles. But Andy was gonna have to put it out of its misery because he's not gonna be able to sell it. So we might as well give this fish another shot at life. Whether it dies in my house, like I said, or not, second chances are always great for everyone, right? Everyone deserves a second chance. So we're gonna head into this amazing store and see if we're gonna bag them up ourselves. Before we bag up our blind fish, we gotta show you all the fish that Andy's got right now. I apologize for the dark lighting. It's a little dark in here, that's salt water for you. But oh my goodness. If I didn't have fish in my tank already, I'd be buying one of these suckers. Look at them sitting straight down, their heads down to the ground. Lionfish. Some of the craziest, most invasive species here in Florida. They eat all the native reef fish. But you can sell them legally in stores, which is awesome, and they're such cool pets, like such cool pets. A lot of people actually go out and they'll catch them and they'll, you know, put them in tanks themselves instead of killing them. But that lionfish right there, if you were to touch one of his dorsal fins or something, you'd be stinging. Bunch of clowns. We got some clowns, some wrasses. Look at that clownfish. I mean, he's got all sorts of stuff, as always. Always got a good selection. Dory, what's up, Blue Tang? Check out the little snowflake eels. Hey guys, what's going on? So cool. He's fired up. There's a little zebra eel. This show tank looks amazing. Look at these colonies. Big old colonies. That right there is a beautiful tank. But enough of walking around. Let's go get this blind fish. This no-eyed fish, literally has no eyes. Been doing this for about 6 years, so if you guys ever need some fish bagged up, just let me know. I could probably do it for you. Come with me. We're gonna need one of these cups. Sorry. Definitely not new to this. A lemon peel angel. Yes, has absolutely no eyes. Don't pour. Don't pour everywhere. Shh. You didn't see anything. He's actually kind of alert, I'm not gonna lie. Considering he has literally no eyes. Andy, he hasn't been eating?
He was a little bit, not lately.
Look at him. No eyes. No eye on that side. Flip him to that side. No eye on that side. See that? There he is. There he is. So cool. So Andy said this fish was eating when he first received it. And then he's been trying to feed it the past couple days. It hasn't ate much since. But maybe we'll get him to eat in my house. Who knows? It's worth a shot. It's better than going to heaven, right? You know what's so unique about this is I don't think I've ever seen a title on YouTube, buying a fish with no eyeballs. I feel like I've watched fish get bagged up enough times to finally just do it on my own. I might not be as good as some of the people working at the stores, but we get her done. Not much oxygen, but we live like 5 minutes away, so check that out. He literally has no eyes. I believe, in my opinion, this fish was maybe housed with something, wherever it was from, got it from. Or, you know, the place that was breeding all these, the other ones were pecking at his eyes, because it literally looks like they were eaten out of his face. See that? It looks like they were literally eaten out of his face. That or he was born without eyeballs, who knows? But regardless, everyone should be treated the same, correct? So we're gonna take him home and give him a second chance. Hopefully this thing doesn't die. That would be so horrible. Let's go. All right, comment the name down below, Cuffaro's. He'd be probably going down toilet if we stayed here, right?
Right, definitely.
Yeah, no one's buying them.
No.
Paul is.
Paul is.
Thanks, it was only $99, so it's fine. See you, Andy, thank you.
Can't wait to see the names.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the names will be crazy. Mom, look.
Oh, that's so weird.
He has no eyes.
Are you sure?
Look, positive.
I just never heard of such a thing. Oh, he's so cute. He's special.
Let's go to the fish building, buddy. This is my new friend. I'm gonna name him. I don't know. You guys gotta name him. I know, he is. Legend. It is a beautiful day. A beautiful day for a little fishy to come into the fish building. We've got some stuff to show you in here too, actually. The 5,500 gallon is complete. It's fully done already. Fish are inside of it. I'm just kidding. This is the tank we're gonna put them in. As you can see, we have our chocolate chip starfish and our little fishies. And we are gonna acclimate our no-eyed fish right now. All right, buddy. Acclimate. You'll be hanging out in this tank, which have friendly friends. They won't do anything to you. As you can see, he's already noticing that he's in a different environment for sure. Maybe the temperature difference, but we're gonna let him acclimate and then we'll get back to this. But I do have a couple things to show you. We haven't got much further with this project right here because we have to wait until it's a little sticky still, which is unfortunate because we don't have heat lamps. So we're gonna put floodlights on this and then we'll actually cure it, which will then leave us to be able to actually scrub it out and clean it to get to the next further steps. All of our cichlids, as you can see, they're all out and they swim away. They're getting better though. They're getting way, way better. As you can see, they're out still. Before they were running in and hiding. So the 500-gallon see-through pond is good. Now you may be saying, where's the Fly River turtle? Fly River turtle's right here in a hospital tank. Unfortunately, it got a little bit of fungus on its shell. And then I contacted obviously my close turtle friends that are very educated when it comes to that stuff. And they told me just what to do. And that's what I did this morning.
Slowly raise the pH, as you can see, over the course of the last 30 minutes, just trying to get to the exact one, and we've reached it. We have our Rally, which is what's gonna actually cure. This isn't even sponsored, but as you can see, we're using API because that's the stuff right there.
We love our API. Once I get the temperature right, then I can get the Fly River into here and start curing it. It's very common in Fly Rivers. I called Kenan, I called the guy that sold me it, Mike, and he's like, yeah, dude, happened to me too. So these things happen, and as long as we cure them and take care of them as soon as possible, obviously, like this, we'll get away from it. And then once I get the well water out of here and just do RO strictly, that will probably never happen again. Very slight layer, just like that black layer on his shell. It looks worse on camera for some reason, but I promise you it's not that bad, and it's very common with the Fly River. So this is another project we're still working on, but I have no rush to finish it because I don't have anything for it quite yet. It's just the waterfall that's leaking. I'm gonna have to redo the whole waterfall. Our little turtles are doing good. Look, we got a little snapping turtle up there, a little yellow belly right here. Mini yellow belly. So our turtle pond, oh, there's another one. Let's see if I can get this guy. Look how big they're getting. This is the Indian spotted. So you guys know we have a bunch of turtles in here. Oh my gosh, look how big this one's getting. Holy moly. That like doubled in size. Indian spotted. Oh yeah, big old African side neck. Getting so big. Look how thick he is. Dude, he's bigger than my palm. I feed these things every day. I just don't realize because I don't take him out. That's insane. I gotta move him soon. I gotta pick up my tilapia. The tilapia that doesn't care to be held. This is my tailless tilapia, and he's literally he's a pet fish. He does not care. He will not try to swim away from me if I go to grab him. He literally just, look. Tailless tilapia, and I've grown him since he was like an inch long. What are you doing, dude? Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. As he's acclimating, he's acting up right now. I don't know if that was something he's been doing at Andy's shop. These aren't good signs at all. These are not good signs. Swim normal, buddy. Swim normal. That's what I'm saying. It's like a 80-20 shot. The 20 is the survival rate. Of course, the jellyfish, which it's so hard for this camera to focus on them, but there's 3 jellyfish. They're good in there. We have our arowana, albino arowana, and the royal clown knife that likes to hide behind the wood. Our mantis shrimp that's about to get his silver side right now. He knows it too. He's all fired up. See him right there? He's ready to eat. He's gonna come out and grab this thing the second I show it. Oh yeah. Oh. That's a mantis for you. Holy moly. That was awesome. He loves silver sides. I gave him a silver side. Now he doesn't really like crabs. I've spoiled him. I don't know what I did. I'm sorry. But inside our freezer, we have a lot of food. So I could spoil the animals as long as I keep up with the freezer. There's a whole lot in there. All right, it's time to get our blind fish into the aquarium. It's such an interest. That's a chicken. That's a chicken. Hello? Is it naked neck?
Yeah.
Crazy chicken. Anyway, we're gonna put our fish into the tank right now. Get one look at him out of the water. And now we're gonna put him in. Come on, buddy. He's doing all right. He's in there. He's swimming. He's not too bad. Look how beautiful the colors of those fish are. Mixed with this yellow too. He's just, he's chilling right now. I'd say the only thing we can do is just kind of give him some time to get acclimated to his surroundings because he's probably gonna like bump the rock and feel out the size of it. But I mean, he was in a tiny little thing at Andy's shop, so we'll see what happens. We have a blind fish, a fish with literally no eyes, and the only thing we can do is continue to do exactly the same thing we do as if he had eyes. Feed the tank, make sure the food's swirling around in there, and then if he can get the food, he can. If he can't, then that's not gonna work, so. Fingers crossed, everyone. Prayers down in the comments down below. I'm gonna pick up the camera in just a couple hours and give you an update on how he's looking. Hey, buddy. He's doing good, see? I think it's gonna work. I think he's gonna, I hope. We don't have a name for him so far. Our no-eyed fish is not doing circles. It's actually swimming around the tank, which is crazy to me. He's actually swimming like from side to side, kind of going around. He's not just staying in one spot, which is awesome. He's doing good. He's doing good. Fingers crossed, I will definitely keep you guys updated on this fish, so make sure you subscribe with notifications on, Cuffaros. We might do a little something behind the scenes on the members only videos with our no-eyed fish. Who knows? So make sure to become a member if you haven't yet already. I think this is the first of its kind, buying a no-eyed fish. For now, our little guy is gonna be chilling right in this little tank, along with the other fishes. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace!